Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you OnePay transaction declined by bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue, what you can do is check for common bank reasons like insufficient funds in your account, credit card limit exceeded, bank blocked the transaction for security reasons, incorrect card info entered in OnePay, direct transaction limit exceeded. Most declines are due to these reasons. If that isn't your problem, then what you can do is drop down the toolbar from the top, then try switching the Wi-Fi connection. Then if that doesn't work, try switching it to the mobile data and ensure you have the strong internet connection. You can also close and reopen the OnePay app by simply holding it in the middle and closing the app completely and reopening it again and retrying the transaction. Temporary network issues also can trigger declines as well. Then next step is to verify your bank account or card status by logging into your bank app by tapping on signing on the button, entering your mobile number and check for available balance or credit card status from active, frozen or blocked, and pending unless or restrictions, and unblock or top up your account if necessary. Then next is to contact your bank, call bank customer service number located on your back of your credit card and explain my OnePay transaction was declined by the bank and provide merchant name and amount, date and time and any error message, and bank can authorize, unblock or troubleshoot the transaction. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.